Oh, hello, Arun here today, and I'm just going to quickly talk about the interest rate rise that was announced today by the government. It was a meagerly 0.25%. I just think it's a little bit too little, way too late. We saw yesterday in the US market interest rates rise by 0.75%, being much more aggressive. But when the government is saying that inflation is going to be at around 11% later this year, why on earth they're just raising at 0.25%? I have no idea. I just think it's way too late and way too little if they're really realistic about bringing inflation down. The pound against the dollar has weakened as a result of it, and I just think, as we're seeing as ourselves in day-to-day life, all our costs are rising, from grocery costs to building costs to energy costs. So if you're running a business, which I think many of you are, you're probably already considered, or maybe even already done it, raised your prices, and as a result of demand, say, from your staff who need to pay their mortgages or who need to pay higher energy bills. So you've already probably raised prices already, but you may have to even do it again if inflation doesn't get curbed by this meager 0.25%. In my opinion, they should have been more realistic in the curbing inflation by raising interest rates at least by 0.5% or even by 0.75%. But hey, I'm not part of the Bank of England Monetary Committee. Personally, I think they're trying to just keep the sacred UK housing market buoyant. We saw over the last few years, especially with the stamp duty holiday, people buy houses and they want to keep those prices high. Hence why they haven't raised interest rates as aggressively as I think they should have done. So what does this mean for you if you're running a business? Well, this is what I would do. If you haven't already, and I'm sure many of you have already, look at your costs, see what you can reduce. Obviously, certain things you won't be able to. Look at your pricing or your services. Are there items that you could raise, improve, increase, without having a massive impact on the demand? And then ultimately change what you have to do. Now, if you need any help on any of this, or you just want to have a discussion, comment, or anything else, just reach out. We're here to help. Thanks.